Today we're going to do a do-it-yourself electrolyte water, electrolytes for your water, because apparently we're supposed to be drinking electrolytes rather than plain water, right? But I find that some electrolytes are expensive and they might have stuff in there that I don't want to drink. So my sister, who is awesome, very knowledgeable with health, has given me her recipe for homemade do-it-yourself electrolyte water. Easy peasy in under 2 minutes. Let's go and we'll do it together. So first I fill a jug with water, and I like a glass jug because I don't like, I don't like plastic because the plastic leaches into the water. So I get a nice good glass jug. I have a couple of them in the fridge and I fill it with water. There's probably about 2.5 liters in here, or maybe 2 quarts, a little bit more. I don't get too worried about it. You can be flexible, but just fill your water jug, not to the top because you're going to add things to it, but about, I just leave maybe 1.5 inches from the top so that when I add the rest of my ingredients, it's not overflowing. Then I'm going to take a spoonful of honey. And again, I don't measure it, it's just a measuring spoonful of honey. And you're going to have to stir it for a bit because if it is a little bit cold, it's hard to dissolve the honey, but I just keep stirring it. And yeah, eventually it breaks down. If you get irritated with honey and you want to use something else, some organic cane sugar is good as well. But I do like the honey because the honey has enzyme properties that are good for you, and you just have to be patient with breaking it down. Then I'm going to take a washed lemon, and I'm just going to slice it up. Give this another stir and just keep stirring it. Eventually it dissolves. And I'm going to put this sliced lemon with the peelings in the water. Probably slice it in half again so I get lots of juice in there. And I'm just going to take a pinch of Himalayan salt and put it in there. You can use whatever salt you like. I just like the properties of Himalayan salt because I feel it's a little bit more natural. Stir that up. And that is that. That's how easy it is. Your own electrolyte water under 2 minutes, right? So done. And now you put that in the fridge, and whenever you need a nice drink to hydrate yourself, away you go. Now, why do we need electrolytes in our water? Well, it does maintain proper hydration because sometimes if you're drinking just regular water, the powers that be, the people much smarter than me, are saying that that's not enough. The water is just going to go through you and you're not going to get the benefits. So they're saying to make sure you have electrolytes, especially if you are sweating or it's really hot outside or you're losing a lot of fluids, maybe through diarrhea. You have to replace the electrolytes in your body with some natural electrolytes. So it's really, really important that you replace that. Even when you're not feeling good, when you're down with something or you're sick, you like to replace your electrolytes. So before and after exercise is awesome as well, just to make sure that you're well hydrated. And we drink it at home just for daily support, just to make sure we've got enough electrolytes in our system. Easy peasy to do yourself, a lot less expensive. I think it's more healthy for you. That's it. You can do it in 2 minutes just with what you have in the kitchen, right? So you have a great day. Enjoy your day.